How to fix Facebook verification code not received. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook. Now, if you click on the option Forget Password, you will be prompted to enter your phone number or the email address linked with your account. And with that, you will be receiving verification code in the email address or the phone number that you have entered. In case you are not receiving the verification code, what you want to check is your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Launch your settings. You can switch between networks, Wi Fi, and cellular data. Likewise, make sure you have good signal. For that, you can enable for the option of airplane mode, wait for a few minutes, and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Likewise, signal. Another thing you want to do is scroll down, navigate to the option messages. Once you find it, open it. Make sure you have enable for the option of iMessage. Likewise, enable for the option of send as text message. Likewise, disable for the option of filter unknown senders. Click on the option of keep messages, set it to forever. With these, your problem might be resolved. With these, your problem will be fixed. Now you will be getting the code in your SMS. If SMS is not working, OPT for email verification. Click on the option search by email instead and provide your email address for the verification. With these, you will be receiving verification from the Facebook. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.